Every leader of every political party has had those issues, particularly in the modern era. Actually, I'm different in the sense that I do allow. I'm not one of these Future and Dutch kind of people, and I think in modern democracy you're going to have a greater plurality of views and opinions, and I think we better get used to that. But that said, you need criticism, and if it's constructive, I listen to it, and that's fair enough too.
Has most of the criticism of your leadership by people in the party, either publicly or privately, been fair?
In terms of what kind of criticism, look, some of it would be fair, some of it wouldn't be fair, and but
I suppose in an overall sense, it's the opinion polls and the becalmed state in the polls. And
well, actually, the view in the party, if you want to know, I travel.
The feeling is that your association with the last government is ultimately toxic.
The strong view in the party is very positive. I get very positive feedback all over the country from the membership of the party, and the parliamentary party likewise are very supportive. The bottom line is this. It is a very challenging position coming out of the 2011 general election. We did very well in the local elections, but it's work in progress, and it's not, it's not something that's going to happen overnight. Isn't happening overnight, but nonetheless, the bottom line is, I think, to be honest, we exceeded our best case scenario in the local elections, and that says something. But now a general election is a different kettle of fish and will be a bigger challenge. But you will have that tension in parties. You will always have that, irrespective of who's leader of any party. And philosophically I'm okay with that. I understand that.